Welcome WBP stars. My name is Meliefste. We're here in the restaurant and we're gonna prepare a snack for you guys with mackerel from the lake in front of us. So we're gonna get started. We have matured the mackerel for a day or 4, so it's nice and firm. It intensifies the flavor as well. We already prepared some of the tartlet shells, which are made from seaweeds, and we're gonna finish it with roe from sea bass, which we cured in salt, smoked slightly, and then dried for 24 hours, so it's nice and firm as well, and we can grate it. And we're gonna top it off with a little bit of caviar from Imperial Heritage. It's a caviar producer from Belgium, and they make very good quality caviar. As you can see, nice pearls, and they go along very well with the cured fish, with the botarga, and we've got some horseradish as well, so good flavors. First of all, the fish. So like I said, we got them in alive and kicking. We clean them very nice, and then we leave them to hang and to dry aids for a day or 3, sometimes 4, it depends on the size. It's a technique that we've learned from a few of our colleagues. Yeah, we just ask them for advice what they do with it, because normally we only use with fresh fish, but now we try to cure them just as a test. So first we get rid of the string. So we clean the fish. This side as well. Get rid of the belly. And then we cut just the side of the scales. As well as the middle. Take off the skin. And as you can see, the flesh now is a little bit more firm, and it has a lot more flavor than it used to have. So as you can see now, the fillet is nice and firm. And it has a lot of flavor now because of the maturation. Now we're gonna cut a tartare out of it. Don't go too small pieces, because you would really like to taste the fish. Right, let's get it in a plate. So now we mix in some chives, freshly cut. We have some oil made from horseradish. We made it and we infuse it for a week or 2. so it has a lot of spiciness. Some rock salt, just a pinch, and we grate in some lime zest, not too much, and then we just mix it. Let's have a taste. A little bit more zest. So over here we have the tartlet. It's nice and crispy, and we put in a leaf of nasturtium. It has some spicy notes, so it combines very well together with the fish, and it also protects the tartlet shell of getting soft. Then we pipe in an emulsion made from mustard, and a caramel made from the heads of shrimps, and then comes the tartare. So, like I said, not too small pieces. You want to taste the fish as well, flavor wise but also texture wise. We just fill it up. Yes. And over here we have a gel made from apple vinegar, so you have a nice surprise when you taste it. Some small punches of acidity, and then we're just gonna fill it up with caviar. And just make sure that it's completely covered. Like this. Okay, now we cover it with a piece of plastic. So you press it a little bit when it's like this, and then we need the plastic again, and we cover 70% of it. And now we just grate over some smoked roe made from sea bass, also from the lake, and we just cover it completely. Take off plastic. So now it's done, and like this, and it can go to the guest. So now we have a tartlet made from seaweeds. Inside we have a tartare of mackerel, slightly aged for a few days, mackerel from the lake, topped off with some caviar, horseradish, and then we have the roe made from sea bass.